Hanna Hippo's Horrible Hiccups by Barbara de Robertis. Illustrated by R.W. Alley. Read by Ben Hobbes. Hanna Hippo was humming a happy tune as she left Alphabetti's school. She was hoping to have a heap of Homer Hog's heavenly huckleberry muffins. Hanna was a happy hippo, but like all hippos, she was hungry at the end of the day. Very hungry. And nothing made her tummy happier than those huckleberry muffins. Hanna saw Homer Hog's bakery at the top of the hill ahead. "Hi-ho, hum-de-dum, hippity-hop, here I come!" Hanna hollered. Hanna happily began to hop up the hill. Soon she was huffing and puffing. It was a high hill. Hanna hauled her heavy feet higher and higher. "This is hard work," she said. But the hope of having Homer Hog's heavenly huckleberry muffins helped her along. "Here I come, Homer!" she hollered ahead. Homer hollered back, "Hurry, Hanna! Have some huckleberry muffins while they're hot!" That was just what Hanna needed to hear. She hustled right to the top of that hill. Hanna was very happy to see Homer. She gave him a huge hippo hug. "Hi, Homer," she said. "I'll have a..." "Oh, no," said Hanna unhappily. "I have hiccups. I can't eat huckleberry muffins while I have hiccups." "How horrible, Hanna," said Homer. "Try holding your breath." Hanna held her breath. Then she hiccuped again. "Hold your breath and hop up and down," said Homer. Hanna held her breath. She hopped up and down. And then she hiccuped again. Hanna howled, "Please help me, Homer." "Here," said Homer. "Have a hot cup of tea with honey." Hanna held the cup of tea. She had a sip. She had another sip. She had still another sip. And then Hanna hiccuped harder than ever. Hanna was very unhappy and very hungry. She tried to hide her huge tears from Homer. Suddenly, she heard a humongous squawk. Hanna hopped high into the sky. "Hoppin' hippos!" Hanna hollered. "What was that?" "Hi, Hanna," said Hilda Hen. "I heard your hiccups, so I hurried over to help." "You gave me a horrible scare, Hilda," said Hanna. "But, Hanna," said Homer, "that horrible scare must have helped. I don't hear any more hiccups." "You're right," said Hanna happily, and she gave Hilda Hen a huge hippo hug. "Hilda," said Hanna, "let's both have some of Homer's huckleberry muffins." "Oh, happy day," said Hilda. Homer handed them a plate of hot muffins. They looked absolutely heavenly. "Thank you, Homer," said Hilda. "Thank you, Homer," said Hanna. And Homer said, "Yep." The end. Fun facts about the hippopotamus. Their home is in Africa, south of the Sahara Desert. Their size, the common hippopotamus, or hippo, is one of the heaviest land animals, and it weighs around 7,000 pounds. They eat with their huge mouths and teeth. The hippos can gobble up to 100 pounds of plants in one day. They live. During the day, hippos hang out in mud or stay underwater to keep cool, but they must come up to breathe every 5 minutes or so. And did you know, when they are threatened, hippos are one of the most ferocious of all animals, and they can outrun a human, so look out.